When you see life-size cutouts of Sanju Samson and plenty of fans wearing the Indian team jersey around it, you know that the Indian team is playing in Thiruvananthapuram, and that's what's happening on the ground right now, which is where we want to take you. It's absolutely buzzing in the city of Thiruvananthapuram as India host New Zealand for the fifth and final match. All eyes on local boy Sanju Samson. He's been out of runs, only 40 runs for him, but the fans feel Sanju Samson has something special in store for them.
Actually, I am also NRI. Yesterday, I came from Qatar for this match, and tomorrow I will travel back to Qatar.
Okay. So you've just come here to watch Sanju.
Of course, to watch Sanju and their match.
And how excited are you for the World Cup with Sanju Samson in there?
We are so excited. He's a thrilling form, and unfortunately, last 4 matches, he cannot perform well. But his talent, only talent, what I can say, the form is temporary.
Yes.
This class is permanent. That we can say. For Sanju Samson, it's exact proof that one.
Great. And can you tell us a little bit about the giant size cutout?
The giant size, my colleagues, 50 feet cutout is there. We have prepared 2-3 days, the hard work for the members, like one Mr. Anil Kumar and Mr. Murikesh and Mr. Liju, our president. He's in Kuwait. He's our coordinator from Kuwait. He's the one arranging everything. And the other members, I am not aware about the members. They are all working very hard about this cutout. Very working hard.
How much was it? How much did it cost
almost,
you?
That one was like 1 lakh, almost 1,20,000 for the whole. We didn't sponsor and get any money from anyone. Our members is collecting.
Great. And how about the Dhoni cutout there? Do you have any part?
Is like brothers, no. We are Annan Thambi relation.
Great.
Chennai,
Yeah.
Sanju already in Chennai, so we are brothers now. There is no competition between Sanju and Dhoni. They are same,
Yes.
Chennai Super Singing.
That's super. And is that banner also yours?
No, that one is for our brothers now. Okay, we are all brothers now.
Yes. Great. And did you ever have the chance to meet Sanju Samson? What have you said about
I didn't get to meet Sanju Samson, but some other members were meet. Hopefully, we will meet soon. We will meet soon.
Great. And has he spoken about the association?
Yeah, he knows already. His managers and some personal secretaries knows about his association, and we are reporting about the association. So activities like charity, about everything is important.
Great. Can you just introduce yourselves and since when you have been a fan of Sanju Samson? Just that. Your name and when you have been a fan of Sanju Samson. Since when?
Myself, I am Sijo Joseph. I am a staff nurse working in Qatar. Since I am a mad cricket fan. 2013 itself, I am watching his IPL.
Yes.
Since that onwards, I am following Sanju Samson. Wherever Sanju is there, I am following him. Like Rajasthan Royals, like it was 16 in Delhi Daredevils. After that, Rajasthan Royals again. Now he's in CSK now.
Yes.
So we are following wherever he is. He'll be there now. That was die-hard Sanju Samson fan.
Great. Can a couple of others also introduce yourselves?
Hafiz, have been following Sanju Samson since he's playing for Rajasthan Royals.
Great.
I'm Shiraz. I am a fan of Sanju Samson 2011 from Kutasura. I am from Toronto also. Sanju!
One cheer.
Sanju!